Welcome to the second episode of Access Evol with your host, the most supreme of all beings, as I am 13th dimensional, your Empress EVOL from the 13th dimension. With me I brought another 13th dimensional creature.
Access Evol. Access Evol. Access Evol.
And from this third of the dimensions, we are going to explore your Mother Earth and its beauty and glory and her powers. I've arrived in my spacesuit of indefinable, undeterminable materials from the 13th dimension. Unfortunately, humans have no idea what I am made of. And yet, you are divine. And yet, you have powers you do not understand. That is why I am here from the 13th, to evolve you. And in this show, we'll go to your beautiful planet, Earth, and speak of her powers as her soul, Sophia. One soul, one giant planet is all-powerful. Far more powerful than you think. And so, let's go into the book, The Mistress of the Dark Matter, and find out just how powerful your mother is.
Access Evol. Access Evol. Access Evol.
Nature, a wonderful thing, isn't it? Not dispensable as you think. Mother Nature will always have a solution to her problem, even if it involves wiping out some of us. Remember that. She has a ticking time bomb. The ticking time bomb waiting to you. To move things straight. Up to you. If you want to keep this beauty and you want to stay alive. Up to you to behave. Behave. Eat torture. Become torture. Enjoy the earth. Not torture Mother Earth. Never torture Mother Earth. She is here for our pleasure. On the learning planet, this is all for us. All for you. Enjoy it. Remember, do not abuse Mother Earth, for she in turn will abuse you, just like I will.
Yes, your soul resides in your ruby red heart. Yes, there is a power you don't quite understand. There is a power the wicked will want to take from you, for it is greater than all treasure. From Empress EVOL, Mistress of the Dark Matter, the book of the evolution of love. We are reading today from chapter 8, the Earth dimension. Little do you know, human, Earth was created in a great cosmic lab by the intimidating Professor Cosmos, using his exotic universe lab with the intention of a specific and most magical divine function. This plan for this exquisite planet was concocted with unprecedented luck and perfect calculations of miraculous accuracy by the monad herself, God in two persons, male and female. And out of his goddess universe laboratory, meant to function as the perfect planet to sustain life and provide for the karmic evolution of the soul. Earth, our third dimension. She is the realm of learning. She is a space-age planet in this cosmic university where the divine human is born, natured, and nurtured for thousands of lifetimes in the karmic evolution of the soul. It is in her time dimension, in the space-time continuum, that life can be created. The body is of earth, and this part is grown of earth to sustain the other parts of the trilogy with mind and soul. Therefore, earth is the academy of you. And just as any university requires a debt be paid to graduate, your debt is this lifetime. In the cycle of the life of the soul, it may practice his many lives with the same theme, which is unbeknownst to the present day man. A whole miraculous planetary system equipped with moon and stars and galaxies, all for these imbeciles who don't even know why they are here, who have been robbed of their purpose. This planet station has become what the Catholic religion refers to as hell, known by many as hell on earth. And so it is said by the Empress EVOL of the 13th dimension. Empress EVOL, mistress of the dark matter. Welcome to my world. Access Evol! Access Evol! Access Evol!